as religion begins to look different, not faithfulness is still faithfulness to Jesus Christ. The question is how you are faithful to Jesus Christ, right? That's going to necessarily change the way people interact with church, not the building, the being of church in their communities, right? So let me just, before we go into the Q&A, let me just throw out some kind of framing questions, right? So if in fact God is the innovator, right? The question is, how can we unbind young people who are stumbling toward new life? Okay, that's one framing question. Second framing question. Social innovation will not save the church. If anybody accuses you of doing this, or if you have even thought, well, if we do this, it will help the church's bottom line, or if we do this, it will attract more young people, or if we do this, it will make us more creative. That last one might happen. But none of those work, right? You don't do this to save the institutional church. That just isn't going to happen. And what's more, we are not called to have great ideas. We are called to have great love, period. So the question becomes, how much of the church as we know it are we willing to give up in order to follow Jesus? Okay? Third framing question. So young people are not leaving religion as much as they are changing what being religious means. Religion may not have a name, it may not have a tribe, it may not have a building, it may not have a behavior code.